Watch my other wildcraft stories to understand what is going on. Huh? What is that in the bushes? Hey, wait, come back. Wait for me. Where are you going? Oh. I need to follow them. Ah! Ow. Maybe I could help you. My name is Ember. Take my paw. I will bring you back to my home. Right, now follow me. Okay. We are so close. It is right here. This is your home? Yes, this is my home. Now, you haven't told me your name yet. Oh, my name's Soul. So you are Soul. And, what was your name again? I kind of forgot. I am Ember. Nice name. Soul is also quite nice. Now, Soul, how did you get here? Oh, I was running away. From where? Oh, it's this forest. A forest? And you came all the way to the savannah. I'm in the savannah? Yes. Yes, you are. This is the savannah. Yes. Why are you so shocked? I've already told you this. So, why'd you try and run away from me? Were you scared of me? Am I really scary? No, you're not scary at all. I was worried you might have other wolves with you. You see, me and my daughter are the only ones in this savannah. You have a daughter? Yes. Yes, I do. Well, where is your daughter? She is out hunting. She'll probably be back soon. I'll go call her. Yes? Dawn, we're finally home. How was your hunt? Well, I was about to catch a gazelle until you called me home. Sorry about that. I would like you to meet Soul. Hi, I'm Soul. I thought we were the only wolves in the savannah. Dawn, calm down. No, I will have to go out hunting. I need to get some food for me and Dawn. And I'll get some for you too, Soul. So, be careful out here. Bye, Dad. I promise I'll be careful. So, you're Soul, right? Yeah. You're Dawn? Yeah. Yeah, sorry, I'm not really good with names. So why are you here? Me and my dad are supposed to be the only wolves in the savannah. Well, you're not anymore. I'm here too. Okay, well, fine. Do you even know how to hunt? Yeah, of course I know how to hunt. Where are you even from? I mean, how'd you even get to the savannah? The savannah is so far from everywhere else. Oh, I swam here. I came all the way from the forest. The forest? That's so far. I know. Everyone keeps on telling me. Well, my dad's gonna be gone a while, so I might as well show you around. Come on. Soul, come on. Oh, okay. 2 hours later. Alright, I'm back. Huh? Where are they? Soul! Dawn! She must have tried to show him around. To be continued in the next video.